Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what is coming up, Aries. We'll be picking a few cards, guys, for your daily energies. This is for your daily energy, Aries, and I'll be picking one card each for your career situation and relationship, guys. And we'll be picking one card from the angel deck, the angel guidance deck. So we will open that card at last, guys. Aries, for your daily energy. Two of Swords in reverse. This card may relate to your work situation or your relationship, guys. So in your situation, guys, you may feel that certain people whom you had a trust on, they are not trustworthy. You feel that you cannot trust them. They may be working against you, and you are feeling at a loss because of that, because you were trusting them to do things for you, and they are not the ones to be relied on, and you know the truth, and you really feel sad because of that. So this may relate to your work situation or in your relationship, guys. Let us see what is the card for your career situation. Ten of Cups. So with this card here, I see that you have that happiness and contentment today. Things are going in a very positive way. Maybe the projects or financial deals or some collaborations, whatever you are working towards, you have that completion, sense of completion in your situation. You are happy for your situation. That is also what I feel. So you are experiencing that sense of completion and achievement today, guys, for the goals whatever you have reached today in your life. Let us see what is the card for your relationship. Knight of Cups. So with this card here, guys, the energy is that maybe some a friend or a family member is coming with some important message today for you, guys. Maybe a visit, maybe some friends are just visiting, or it may be a message from your person. If you are in a long distance relationship, you may be getting some important communication from them, some emails or letters, something, or it may just denote a visit from them, a sudden visit from them. That is also the energy here, some surprise visit, guys, from this person, or they may be bringing you gifts. That is also the energy here. So something good and positive is happening, guys, but there are people in your situation who cannot be trusted, so you have to be careful about them. You have to stay away from them, Aries. That is what I see here. Let us see what is the angel card, angel guidance card. This may or may not relate to your career or your relationship, guys, but this card is there just to give us the guidance. So if you listen to this guidance, we will feel more harmony and peace in our day, guys. So what is the card? Face your challenges. We must read these cards straight, guys, not in reverse. So this is for your angel guidance, guys. So whatever challenges we face in life, guys, the physical challenges, the mental challenges, whatever it is, we should think of these challenges as a great opportunity to learn. So when we are facing that outside challenges, we have the inner challenges also of fear, worries. So we need to overcome all that with strength and courage, with how with our attitude, guys. The main thing is our attitude. We should have that positive attitude, a positive outlook on life. So whatever challenges we are facing, we should have that strength and courage to face everything. So instead of seeing that as uh, very challenging, unsurmountable, stressful things, you should see it as an opportunity to learn and grow. So, when we do that, we will see a new courage building up in us, that confidence building up in us, and we will be able to handle any situation successfully, guys. So, that is the angel guidance for you all, Aries, and that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Aries.